Hi there! Want to improve your health naturally? I've got you covered with the top 5 natural health remedies you need to know about in 2024. Grab a cuppa, sit tight, and let's dive in. First up, turmeric. This golden spice isn't just for curry anymore. Packed with curcumin, turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. It can help reduce pain, improve digestion, and even boost your mood. Try adding a sprinkle to your morning smoothie or brew a cup of turmeric tea. Next, elderberry. This little berry is bursting with antioxidants and vitamins. It's known for its immune-boosting properties, especially during cold and flu season. You can find elderberry in syrups, gummies, and even teas. A spoonful a day keeps the doctor away. And who can forget apple cider vinegar? This tangy tonic is a health powerhouse. It can aid in weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, and improve heart health. Mix a tablespoon with water and honey and drink it before meals. Trust me, your body will thank you. Ever heard of ashwagandha? This adaptogenic herb has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. It's fantastic for reducing stress, improving energy levels, and enhancing brain function. You can take it as a supplement or brew it into a relaxing tea. Last but not least, Manuka honey. This isn't your average honey. Sourced from New Zealand, Manuka honey is packed with antibacterial properties. It's great for wound healing, soothing sore throats, and boosting your immune system. Drizzle it over your yogurt or add it to your tea for a sweet health kick. So there you have it, the top 5 natural health remedies making waves in 2024. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay happy. Cheers!